Hey guys, how you doing? Today in this video we will talk about the top 10 in-demand jobs in Canada. During the COVID-19 pandemic, things are improving a lot, but yes, countless businesses have been forced to close their doors and millions of Canadians have lost their jobs or had their hours reduced. Though the economy has been hit hard by these changes, there are a lot of bright spots as well. Several critical sectors are surging during this pandemic, and we will talk exactly about those in this video, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm from CANUS Immigration Consultancy and I regularly upload Canadian immigration and lifestyle videos. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please click the subscribe button. And yes, press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, number 1, it has got to be the healthcare sector. It goes without saying that in the mid-upper health crisis, healthcare workers are absolutely critical. Nurses, doctors, and hospital support staff have been overwhelmed with the spike in patients admitted to hospitals. Doctors like respiratory specialists, physicians, nurses, paramedics, healthcare administrators are all in huge demand across the country. Number 2. The essential staff, the essential retail workers. Non-essential businesses were closed, but essential retailers were the exception. They have been staying open so Canadians have access to necessities like groceries, cleaning, supplies, medication, etc. During the pandemic, essential retailers have responded to this increase in demand by hiring more cashiers, store clerks, shelf stockers, cleaners, and a variety of other roles. Number 3. Banking and finance. From working with the bank to access financial support like the mortgage April's promised by the federal government, to meeting with an investment specialist to discuss protecting retirement savings, to know how their credit will be affected by lost income, Canadians are turning to financial institutions for support during this time. So financial advisors and customer service professionals but experienced in the banking sector are particularly in demand. Okay, number 4. Telecommunications. We have been watching a lot of content online, isn't it? With many people working from home, in-person meetings no longer an option, phone calls and video calls are the main way people are staying in touch. When everyone is confined to their home, more internet bandwidth is consumed watching videos. Engaging on social media technology has helped us to stay in touch with each other. Workers in customer and its support, installation, maintenance and repair ensure Canadians are able to access these critical services, and hence they are in very high demand even during the pandemic. Alright, the next one is the customer service. Customer service workers are in demand as companies in many sectors are responding to an influx of customer questions and concerns. Call center agents and supervisors are particularly in demand at this time. The call center staff can often work remotely, allowing for social distancing. This makes hiring call center agents an attractive solution for organizations to respond to a surge in customer requests. Next one is the public health and the government jobs. The COVID-19 pandemic has flown the world into a sudden economic depression. In response, all the levels of governments have stepped in with policies to support Canadians experiencing hardships. Public service workers are needed in areas such as benefits administration, social services, public health, education, and development to ensure that Canadians are able to access critical services and connect with the support they need during this difficult time. Okay, the 7th one is manufacturing. You must have heard about the toilet rolls getting off the shelf, so manufacturing is very important. Manufacturers in sectors like consumer goods and health supplies are ramping up production to respond to the increase in demand in consumer goods. The surge in demand for consumer goods and healthcare supplies has led to an increase in manufacturing jobs for line workers and supervisors, warehouse workers, manufacturing engineers, and quality control specialists, among others. The 8th one is the engineering and architecture. Construction has been deemed essential in some provinces including Ontario, Canada's most populous province. Building sites for projects related to critical infrastructure, healthcare, transit and residential housing remain active. As a result, a variety of construction, engineering and architecture jobs remain in demand in some areas. Okay.
Now the next one is technology and IT. Many people would be from this industry. With high demand, online tools and platforms require the skills and expertise of developers and other IT professionals, especially as user volume surged, with a large portion of the Canadian workforce migrating to working from home.
Help desk networking and data security professionals have been working around the clock to ensure everyone is able to work from home securely. The last but not the least is news and publishing. COVID-19 updates and news have dominated the news cycle for months now. There seems to be an endless stream of information and updates that the public needs to know about. The constant turnover of information requires a variety of skill sets and creates opportunities for reporters, editors, fact-checkers, video production, staff web, and its specialist, among many others. Right guys, so these were all the 10 in-demand jobs in Canada, even during this pandemic. I just hope that anyone who belongs to these jobs, if even you land during these tough times in 2020, you would be able to find a job without much difficulty. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel CANUS Immigration yet, we know the deal. Now you have to click that subscribe button. And yes, if you have any feedback or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching this video.